को लेकर के मुझे लगता है कि जो हमारा मत है वो आपके सामने है और इसमें कोई मतभेद नहीं है। दोनों गठबंधन दलों में पूरी सहमति है और जल्द ही उसका भी कुछ ना कुछ रास्ता निकल आएगा और जीएसटी लागू हो जाएगा।
उम्मीद करें कि जीएसटी
मुझे लगता है कि सभी राजनीतिक दल अब इस बात को समझने लगे हैं कि जीएसटी का होना प्रदेश के हित में there has been a tendency of selective condemnation of violence, selective condemnation of killings. But I think the saving grace now is that the people of Kashmir, the common people of Kashmir, the youth of Kashmir are now awakened enough, and therefore they are not going to take this risk. I don't need to engage in individual comment, but nevertheless, I think now that we are in a globally connected world, and with the real-time reporting to the channels like you, each one of us would have to learn to adopt one single position. You cannot have one position for one situation and another position for a similar situation. Nor can you have one position in Srinagar, the other one in Jammu, the third one in Delhi. And I'm sure all of us in political life, regardless of our political parties or affiliation, will learn this very soon.
CID has prepared a list of secessionist writers. One among them is, in fact, a retired High Court judge. The same person who is now writing against India. Besides, there are other 20 columnists also. So